Alright, today I'll be showing you my fume extractor. Here's the front with metal screens, and then the back metal screen. On the inside you can actually see the sponge. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to turn it on. In the back, what it does, if you guys do any soldering, what it does, it sucks up the fumes. When you have the sponge, the back of the fan, it sucks up the fumes here, right here, and then in the front, it blows clean air, and nothing comes out, not bad stuff come out through here, only clean air. So yeah, that's my fume extractor, and I'll be showing you how to make this fume extractor. So I'll be giving you the list of the parts that you're going to need. Alright, in 3, 2, 1.